Kelly, get up. Get up, Kelly. It's time for you to go to school. Get up. You hang out too late at night. That's why you can't do it. You be walking around the house all night waking me up. Get up. Time for you to go to school. You don't want to wake up. Get up. You stay up too late every night. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get out of this bed. Get out of this bed. Get up.